Jai Jinendra. I want to hear from the back. Jai Jinendra. Left side. Jai Jinendra. His Excellency B.G. Krishnan, Consul General of Economic Affairs, India. Our guest of honor, Sri Vinod Bhaiji Adani, and Consul General of Turkey, His Highness Saylan Onur, senior members of Jain community, all my Jain brothers and sisters, a warm good evening to all of you. How did you find the musical program before I go on my speech? Did you like it? Thank you. First, I would like to wish you all belated Happy Diwali and Happy New Year. इस दिवाली के अवसर पर JSG कमेटी की तरफ से मैं आप सबका हार्दिक अभिवादन करता हूं and wish you all Happy Diwali. It's my great pleasure and proud to welcome you all for our Diwali Gala program. This is the biggest Jain Social Group program as mentioned by our General Secretary Harish Bhai. We spend almost 800 dirham per person for this program. So please enjoy the show. I'm very glad that Mr. Krishnan could you join us for our celebration. Thank you, sir. I welcome all the sponsors for their invaluable support, especially by our diamond sponsor, Bricks and Woods, and Dhruv Global School. I also take this opportunity to thank the invaluable support by all the sponsors. Without them, this program is not possible. I just want to mention this program, all the expenses done only by our sponsors. We don't use any money from our kitty here. So thank you everyone. Please. JSG organized total 10 events in this year. Dheeraj bhai, wo PPT laga diya. I just want to give the overview of our programs because some of the people here are not part of our Jain Social Group. So I just want to give you the overview of all the events what we do here as the Jain Social Group. We have total done 10 programs and I will just give the overview of all the programs. In January, we have done the desert safari. There is some technical problem as usual. When the slide comes over, we'll just go through it. In February, and the desert safari is attended by 750 people. Then we have done Dil To Bachcha Hai in Zabil Park. Any guesses how many people attended this program? 1,106 members attended this program in Zabil Park. Then in March, we have done AGMB treasure hunt. Total, again, 1,160 people attended this program. Then we have done blood donation and we had 95 eligible donors in that. We had more than 150 people came for donation. Out of that, 95 people has actually donated the blood on that day. We got the appreciation from the Dubai Health Authority on that. After that, we have done in April, we have gone for Turkey tour. Thanks to Mr. Saylan. He has supported to get all the visas in time. Thank you, sir, for your support for our Jain community. Really appreciate on that. Thanks to Rajesh also, who supported us for this. In May, we have gone to Pluma Circus. How many people attended Pluma Circus? I just want to see the raise the hands. How many people? We have 870 people attended Pluma Circus program. In August, we have done staycation at Lapita Resorts in Dubai. Almost 37 families attended this. We stayed together at Lapita Hotels and Resorts. In September, we have done SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. How many people attended SeaWorld? Did you enjoy SeaWorld program? I just want to show your feedback. We had 720 people has gone for SeaWorld program. And we had the best Jain food. Everybody appreciated in SeaWorld. We had one of the best quality of Jain food. Thank you, Sanjeev ji, sorry. In October, we had done Navratri Garba program. Again, 920 members attended Garba program. Motto in my life, give more than what people are expected. And this is all possible when you give us the feedback. I really want to appreciate all the JSG members' feedback. Depending on our feedback, we do all the corrections required. We make new programs accordingly. And thank you very much. Out of the almost 94% given good remarks, good feedback about all the JSG program throughout the year. Thank you to all the members. With reference to your feedback, when you give the feedback with suggestion, on that basis, we have done Pluma Circus and SeaWorld program has been done because you asked for it. So please give suggestions so that we can do better and better programs. With your feedback, we are taking new initiative next year. We are planning to get a new initiative here. What is the new initiative? We want to do JSG Youth Group, same as Jitu. We took inspiration from Mukesh Bhai. Thank you. So by next year, we are planning a youth group from 18 to 40 age. So those will be all run by youth people only. Because we saw we have less youth participation compared to the senior community members. Also, we are working on a cruise tube. Maybe January or February, we will see. I hope you will all come for cruise program. How many of you wants to come for cruise programs? Wow. Great numbers. For sure, we'll attend one cruise program in January or February. I also want to tell you, we have one more organization called Jain Seva Mission. We do all the Seva work by Jain Seva Mission. People come from India, if they are in distress, and please listen this to all the members. This is very important thing that anybody whom you know came from India or here, he has some problems on financial or some bank debts or health issues, doctor bills. We always try to support in a best possible way through Jain Seva Mission. This is all done by Sandeep ji Shishodia. Thank you, sir. Sandeep ji has not come yet, right? Aaye? Sandeep ji. अरे पीछे ही खड़े, sorry. Thank you, sir. Sir, आप जरा लोगों को देखने दो कौन है संदीप जी सबको. Please give him a big round of applause. He is doing one of the best humanity work for all the Jain community. I really appreciate and thank you. I just want to overview of JSG Group. JSG Group, Jain Social Group started 38 years back. Can you imagine a group of 1,500 people running for 38 years in Dubai? So all the credit goes to all the members who are coming for JSG program and patronizing for last 38 years. And this is all possible due to the hard work by the past presidents, all the committee members. And fortunate, we have today our founding member, founding president. Where is Rajni Bhai Shah? Sir, khada rahiye. He is our founding president, Rajni Bhai Shah. I also want to thank Sri Shekharji Patni. Thank you, sir. He is always support JSG. Anytime there is any issues, we just call him. He support. He give advice. Most importantly, he give a good advice for us to come out of the situation. Thank you, sir. Did you like Votonika show? Do you want it again? How many people, all the members want to see Votonika again here? So after the break time, we will start the Votonika group again where you can enjoy the dance and everything. And before I conclude, I want to thank every one of you here, all the JSG members, for coming to Diwali program and patronizing for JSG for last 38 years. A big round of applause to every one of you. Thank you, sir, everyone. Over to one of the best MCs of the program. Please give her also big round of applause. Priya, come.
कैलाश जी, मुझसे पहले कमेटी के मेंबर्स को प्लीज बुला लीजिए.
Sorry, we just want to give just 1 minute. The slide was not working. Now the slide is working. I just want to give the overview of all the programs what we have done. In January, we have done. In January, we have done Desert Safari, where 720 people attended. The next one, Dil To Bachcha Hai in Zabil Park. In March, we have done the blood donation program. Also, we have done in March AGM treasure hunt. Every year, JSC tradition, the president changes every year. So in March, we have the changeover of the presidents. Then in April, we have done Turkey tour. Thank you, sir, for you. As I mentioned, Pluma Circus. 900 plus people attended this Pluma Circus. And everybody enjoyed the show. Then we have quiz program, the next in May. Then in July, we have done the staycation program in Lapita Hotels and Resorts. Then in July, normally we don't do any programs because lot of people go on leaves. So in September, we have done the sports day program in Sharjah Mall. Here also we have almost 350 to 400 people attended this sports program. After that, we are done in September SeaWorld program. SeaWorld program, and in October we have done Navratri Garba night. As I mentioned, 920 people attended our Garba night program. And in November we are doing Diwali. Next month we will be doing the New Year program again after this. I just want to, first of all, very important thing, all these programs are possible due to the committee members. It is not the president who works. It's all the committee members, they work. That is why this program can happen. Organizing these events for such a large number is a very big task. All the committee members, they leave their business, their work, and just an idea of serving the community. So I want everyone to give the big round of applause. That is a reward to all the committee members. Even today you program see, last 3 months, all the committees working very hard day to night for this particular program. So I want to call all the committee members on the stage. Please, everyone. Dheeraj bhai. Please welcome our treasurer. सबको मालूम है, नाम बोलने की जरूरत है क्या? धीरज भाई. Then we have ever smiling, even still she is smiling, Jyoti ji Jain. Please Please give a big round of applause. I don't want you to sit here like that. They work whole year hard, very hard. Please, Surendra ji, आइए. Then we have Subodh ji. See, he is injured, but still he has come for the program. That is the dedication that you have. इनका नाम बोलने की किसको जरूरत है क्या? इनका नाम किसी को बोलने की जरूरत है क्या? हरीश जी. Then we have very senior member Sanjeev ji Jain. Then we have Mr. Kevul Shah. और ये आ रहे हैं, इनको शायद कोई भी जानता नहीं होगा दुबई में, राइट? सर इधर इधर इधर, चंदू भाई आगे, इधर इधर आओ. आपकी जगह सबसे आगे है, कमेटी में सबसे जगह आगे आपकी है. Everyone, please give a big round of applause to him. Then we have Akash Jain, one of the youngest member of our committee. Please give a big round of our immediate past president. इन्होंने मेरा लाइफ बहुत डिफिकल्ट कर दिया था लास्ट ईयर, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्रोग्राम देके. इट वॉज अ बिग चैलेंज फॉर अस टू कंटिन्यू दैट. संजय जी, थैंक यू फॉर कीपिंग द ट्रेडिशन. देन वी हैव आवनी जी. प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. आ जाइए विपिन जी. इनका नाम किसको पता नहीं है यहाँ पर? इज देयर एनीबॉडी इन दिस प्रोग्राम, इन दिस हॉल, who doesn't know this person? हाथ ऊपर खड़ा करके बोलिए जिनको ये मालूम नहीं है. विपिन भाई, एक जन भी हाथ नहीं ऊपर किया. आपको सब लोग जानते हैं, पूरी जैन कम्युनिटी जानती है. राजेश जी जैन, आइए सर.